Well, Louisiana voters will soon decide on Amendment 1, and that could reshape the state's legal landscape. Devontae Martin has a deeper dive into the plan. Devontae?
Yes, Jennifer. Amendment 1 addresses two key issues: oversight of out-of-state attorneys practicing in Louisiana and the expansion of special courts beyond local jurisdictions.
This just gives us some flexibility in the judiciary to go in and have more specialty courts throughout the state of Louisiana. I think it's a yes. I'd be voting yes on that one for sure.
The state's legal scene could see major changes after the March 29th elections. Louisiana voters will vote on Amendment 1, which seeks to state directly in the Louisiana Constitution that the Supreme Court has the power to discipline visiting attorneys.
Some lawyers that came into our state, mainly from Texas, came into the southwest region of our state, were bad actors, and our Supreme Court didn't have any authority to discipline them when it came to Louisiana matters.
While many lawmakers like local representatives Michael Eccles and Jay Morris are for it, one campaign is against it, since the state Supreme Court already has jurisdiction over attorneys' conduct.
This amendment is not about out-of-state attorney discipline. Out-of-state attorneys are already disciplined, as we've seen in the news and repeatedly over and over again, for any actions that they take in Louisiana courts.
Part 2 of the amendment will allow lawmakers to create special courts on a statewide or regional basis.
27 states have enacted business courts, and that's just one example of the type of specialized courts that we could create.
Currently, specialty courts like drug and veteran courts are restricted to specific parishes and districts. Louisiana has 69 specialty court programs.
The idea here is that the legislature basically wants to create courts that they can control, stacking them with judges who will serve their interests, and that ultimately this is going to take power away from the Supreme Court and from our voters.
For Northeast Louisiana, particularly the 4th Judicial District Court, which covers Ouachita and Morehouse Parish, if passed, the amendment could lead to significant changes and impact how felony cases are handled within the district. And early voting for the March 29th elections begins March 15th and continues through March 22nd, except for Sunday, March 16th, when the office is closed. Back to you, Jennifer.